Hey guys, welcome to Cajun Homestead. I've run into a little problem. I was going through this hive. This hive right here has a yellow dot queen, so she's a couple of years old. And I was just checking up on her because she's never swarmed. But guess what? I've got swarm cells and they're capped. So I don't know if she's already gone, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide up into at least three pro nukes, put some swarm cells in each one of these, and make me 3 splits out of this. Let's see what we can do. So first thing you want to go ahead and find you a frame with some swarm cells. My dog's barking, but I don't see nobody. I got the bees all worked up. Okay, so what we want is to get us one frame with queen cells. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and well, they all look pretty good except for maybe this one over here. Take that one off. Looks like this one or that one should hatch first. I'm going to go ahead and take that off right there, that off right there, that off right there. I'm going to leave this one and that one. I'm going to leave 2 cells. That way I won't get no... Oh, well that didn't do too good. I didn't drop it on the cells. Okay, so now we need a food frame and some bees. I'm going to try to look for the old queen, but it won't really matter. Okay, now this one right here has a very beautiful cell right there. And it has 1, 2, I see this one right here is damaged. So I'm gonna take it off. And they look like they've just been capped. I'm gonna take off all these others. And the only reason I'm doing that because I don't want them swarming twice out of a little nuke. Okay, so that's 2. And this is going to be a 3. And I got a bunch of swarm cells here. I'm going to take off all the ugly looking ones. I'm going to leave those 2 right there and that one there. Okay. This is a solid frame of food and a little bit of brood on it. Okay, put that right there. Here's some more brood and food. Put that right there. More brood and food. I'm gonna put that over here. Same thing again here. I think I'm gonna get some little sticks to hold this frame up. It's not touching, but the queens won't have enough space to come out. Just like that. More food. Okay, so this one has 4 frames. Here was some more swarm cells, but they all got tore up. Put some food in there for this one. Oh, let me crack this box open. Yow! I think it's time for some smoke. Check and see what we got in here. Get some shakes of bees. There's an empty frame. Okay, this first one's finished. It's got plenty of bees. Give this one a shake. Here's another cell right here, so I'm gonna leave that in this box. Some more bees. Now what I'm trying to do is just get all the nurse bees in these boxes here. All these other bees are gonna come flying back here and take care of this nest. Ow! Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Add some more frames to this. Okay, now remember, we don't know where the old queen is at, if she's still here. But there's a cell in each one of these, so that's 4 splits off of this one hive. Well, they steady letting me have it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. And hopefully all this chaos will fix itself. All right, guys, I'm gonna go move these nukes to a different spot. And I'll catch you on the next one.